Delta II launch slips 24 hours. KSC Up to the Minute, I'm Tyler Atkeison. Good afternoon. Launch of the McDonnell Douglas Delta II with NASA's Near spacecraft was scrubbed this afternoon after a problem with the ground system came up. Now, the range safety system hit a snag today, forcing the 24-hour delay or the slip. Now, this was the word at 3:06 p.m. this afternoon.
We need to terminate today's operation based on related range safety issue, and we'll scrub for 24 hours. Initiate our scrub task as planned and come back again tomorrow.
Roger, sir. And work. All personnel on the count.net. This is the chief launch conductor at this time. We are scrubbing today's operation. This will be a 24-hour scrub.
And that was the word. A 24-hour scrub is now in progress. They're recycling. They're going to be doing some detanking of the liquid oxygen that was loaded on during the 2 o'clock hour. Now, the nominal launch 1-minute launch window extends from about 3:53 tomorrow afternoon to about 3:54. Now, the launch window has the flexibility of opening 1 minute earlier on launch day if collision avoidance or other countdown circumstances dictate. Delta II is going to fly a 95-degree launch azimuth with separation of the Near spacecraft from the rocket approximately 26 minutes later. About 5 seconds after that, the solar arrays will deploy, and it'll be on its way towards the asteroid. Now, the Near Earth Asteroid Rendezvous satellite will be placed into an orbit that will take it into the asteroid belt, back to the Earth for a gravity boost, and then out to a 25-mile-long asteroid called Eros. Now, Eros was known, if you'll be in the Valentine week here, asteroid was the god of love, was it not? The Near Earth Asteroid Rendezvous satellite will be the first spacecraft to orbit an asteroid. As a matter of fact, asteroids are numerous in small bodies. They lie in that asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, with diameters ranging from a fraction of a mile to nearly 600 miles. Now, the Near spacecraft was designed and built at Johns Hopkins University Applied Physics Laboratory, and it's slated to orbit the asteroid Eros in 1999. The spacecraft will be about 230 million miles from the Earth at that time of the rendezvous. Now, relatively little is known about asteroids, and hopefully the Near spacecraft will gather data about the structure, the composition, and other physical characteristics for Eros. So once again, just to update you, the launch of the Delta II with the Near spacecraft has been delayed 24 hours. Launch is set for tomorrow afternoon, Saturday, at 3:53 p.m. Now, another launch we want to keep you updated with. We're just less than 6 days away from the launch of Columbia on mission STS-75. It'll be the 75th space shuttle flight, and it's going to be reflying the Italian tethered satellite system 1R. Also, the United States Microgravity Processing Facility 3 will be flying as a prime payload also. Columbia is out at Complex 39B right now, sitting passively awaiting its launch this Thursday, again at 3:18 p.m. So we have a couple of launches coming up in the next week. One will be tomorrow, the Near spacecraft launch aboard of Delta II, and Columbia, Thursday afternoon at 3:18 p.m. And that's going to do it for KSC Up to the Minute. I'm Tyler Atkeison. And be sure to take up my advice for the very latest in space launch news. Give Mary Myers a call, 264-3344, and subscribe today to Space Launch News. I do, and I think you should. Trust me. I'm Tyler Atkeison, and this has been KSC Up to the Minute. Tune in weekdays at 7:15 a.m. and 3:45 p.m., and we'll update you on the very latest, as always, right here on your home for space news, WAMT 1060 a.m.